We're at the 2018 RV show in Salem, Oregon, and we're going to look at some RVs that are under $100,000. So let's see what they have. Okay, this one is a, what is it? It's a Forest River, 27 KB, which stands for King Bed.
Yeah.
And this one has the larger table. That bunk doesn't go. So actually, that turns into a longer bed than the other one. You know.
Mhm.
And it's got the workspace and swivel chairs and the bunk up there.
It's got plenty of countertop.
Yeah, plenty of countertop.
It's got a door that closes.
Yeah. Showers, pretty nice. Yeah. Regular size refrigerator, none of those goofy extra wide refrigerators that you don't need. And yeah, that's a huge bed. I imagine that, I don't know how that mattress works, but there might be enough room there for that whole thing to slide in. This one's 87,860, which that's pretty good. Got the oven. I wonder why there's no cover on that thing. It's kind of odd. Okay, this one here is a Pursuit something or other.
It's a 30.
A 30?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's got, it's 89.9.
It doesn't have a king bed.
Oh, okay. No king bed. 89,988. It is, what is it? The PSA 30 FWFF. Nice little couch there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice dinette. That might make enough for him to sleep, you know. Because like those probably, you know, you slide that.
We don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need it.
For
but
us,
anyway,
it's not.
But it does have the top thing.
And that's not crooked.
Table. Yeah, it's not crooked. And it's got the
So I don't think that was supposed
thing.
to be like that.
I don't know. Strange. But anyhow, for 90,000, it's not too shabby. Okay, so this one is a Pursuit 31 SB for $89,995. It's got the dinette, the TV right there. Got the workbench and all of this stuff here, but it's got this nice big couch. That thing is plenty big for at least one person to sleep on anyway. And nice workspace there. Bathroom door sticks a little bit, but that's pretty neat. This is like a king-size bed, it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not too shabby. $89,995. Pursuit 31 SB. Okay. So this is a 29-foot.
Oh, it's got the wraparound.
Oh, well, kind of.
Well, boot.
Yeah, but there's no seat down there.
Yeah.
But this one is 99,000, and it's got the Forest River 29DS. So it's got the work table up there, and the upper bunk, which this is, I don't know if this is motorized or not, but maybe it is. It might be. Yeah.
Nice. I mean,
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. I mean, when that sink is open, there's not much room, but
some big size sink.
yeah.
Got it?
Is that pretty deep?
It's deeper than what we got in the trailer.
Right.
You know, those chairs probably turn around like
Nice
ours.
bathroom.
Yeah?
I like this.
Let's see.
I'm sure it goes up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sliding glass doors in the bathroom. This wow, this
Bed or what?
this refrigerator is huge. Jeez. Wow, that's like bigger than a home refrigerator. That thing is massive.
Jeez.
Not sure why we would need something that big. But yeah, this is a nice bed. Let's see, does this have the this is a full single piece mattress. It doesn't
So this must not be a slide out?
No, it is a slide out, but I guess there's enough room there.
Oh.
So it doesn't have the folding mattress. But I can't get over this thing. This is, man, that's unbelievable.
That's overkill.
Yeah.
You could have taken that out.
Yeah, I'm not sure why they needed that. And there's a TV in the bedroom and a TV
Yeah.
there. Wow. Okay, this is a 2018 Winnebago Mini Winnie 226A, and it's 87,390. So it has a lot of features. The front seats turn around, and it does have the bunk with the TV up there on top, and it's got some actual usable counter space to prep food on. Nice big dinette with these things on a fold out here. It makes a good size bed. It has a door that separates the front from the back, although it does, well, no, actually it has two doors. It has that one and it has this one, I think. Is that a door? No, that's not a door. So it has one door that separates the bathroom. And this bed, the mattress is cut in half, so I'm not sure how comfortable that would be, but plenty of storage. And a little step up here. It's got a rear slide out, so that rear part slides out backwards. But all in all, not too bad. This is a 2018 Winnebago Intent 30R, 97,000. Got a dinette and a little couch right next to it. Now the TV is over there, so that's TV's in not a great location. You have to look this way at the TV, which is not great. It's got the bunk up there. Let's go back here. So the bathroom. So it's got this door that opens up, I guess, and well, you can't lock it shut, but it does have that door. And it has a privacy door also. So you can at least keep the thing. And the mattress, kind of hard to tell what this mattress is. It's a single piece mattress.
Really?
Yeah. A little work shelf here, that's kind of nice. For putting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
TV right there. Not bad. And it's got the work area up here for a computer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Actually not bad. Got a Ford motor. And this thing, I'm not sure.
Sinks are kind of not deep, very deep.
Well, yeah. But it does have this counter space to work on. That's pretty nice. Regular microwave. Lots of room up there. Huh. Wow. I kind of like this one.
Yeah.
And if you had more than, I don't know how big of a bed these two things make. But
So it's an Intent.
2018 Intent. It's a Winnebago 30R.